Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel and welcome back to Let's Do Die Cutting Monday. You guys, this is, I don't know what week already. Thank you for joining along and following along and joining us. You guys, oh my goodness. So basically this is an open collab. It's just basically showing you die cuts, project shares. You could do some die cuts and use them throughout the week on your projects, or do a project share. Share with us what you die cut it and what you created. It's really up to you. And again, it is an open collab. I do apologize if I did not say this. It is an open collab. It is open to anybody that wants to join in on any time on a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, as long as you put Let's Do Die Cutting Monday. Anyways, this is an hosted by myself and Tree from Craft On. So I will link Tree down on the description below, you guys. Make sure you follow everybody that's been joining along, you guys. And if you're new to my channel, thank you for joining us, and thank you for following along, and hopefully you join my channel as well. You subscribe to my channel. Anyways, let me show you guys what I ended up using this time. I have this a die cut. Isn't that, oh my goodness, look at that. I do have the embossing folders somewhere. I don't know where. Yeah. So this is what the die looks like, and I actually only used the tree. I did not use the snowflake or the other one. And that's what it looks like. And then I also have the sleigh. Isn't that cute, you guys? OMG, look at how cute. So it does convert into like a little holder, like a candy holder. I did not use it as a candy holder. I opted to just do the die cut, and I'll show you guys, what I ended up doing. I did not actually create anything, but I did want to show you guys little samples of what you could do with them. So here are the trees. Aren't these nice, you guys? Nicely cut. I love them. And if I were to have had the embossing, it'd probably be a lot nicer. And this is what I ended up doing. So from this, I opted not to cut the whole bottom part right here of the sleigh, and this is what they ended up looking like once I put it together. So when you die cut it, it's going to be actually 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. There you go. So I ended up using these two. I did not do the stars, and I flipped it over and I did it this way. Oops. So you have two different sleighs. Okay, and then what I figured, the tree, you could do, a sack, and you could put a Christmas tree like here, like how Santa's sometimes carrying the tree. Put the tree there, put some gifts there, and put it in either a Christmas card. Oh my gosh, you could decorate this in so many ways. And like I said, I do apologize. I did not do much die cutting this weekend. It is Monday, so I did Let's Do Die Cutting Monday. So this is what it looks like, a little sample. And like I said, you just put gifts, you could put a Santa, you could put stickers, you could decorate on the bottom. You could do so much with this. And well, anyways, that's it for now, you guys. Thank you for joining along, and don't forget to do a hashtag Let's Do Die Cutting Monday if you are interested in winning some of these die cuts. I did do a few more die cuts over here. You guys, I will be probably doing a drawing sometime this week. Once the Thanksgiving's coming up, you guys, I'll have time and I'll be able to do drawings for all those die cuts that I've had during the past weeks. So that is it, you guys. Thank you for joining along. Don't forget to do that hashtag Let's Do Die Cutting Monday, and don't forget to follow everybody along. Support each other, you guys. Thank you again for the ones that have been joining along. I do apologize for not commenting. Sorry, but I really appreciate you guys for joining. And again, thank you guys. We'll see you guys next week. Bye for now.